Yeah, no,
red tide or.
Yeah, they're normally not a shorebird. They're a seabird.
Right.
So yeah.
He swimed a lot.
Yeah.
I think his leg is messed up.
All right.
Not sure though.
Yep.
Yeah, it looked like this leg might.
Yeah, that leg looks like it's having issues.
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry, buddy.
Loon. Okay. Yep. All right. Well, I'll just get it.
Take it somewhere and pick it.
Yeah, I'll get it over to Seaside,
Thank you.
then go from there.
If I knew where Seaside was, I would have just.
Yeah, it's straight down Gulf Boulevard, Reddington Shores.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Reddington Beach.
The Sun Coast Seabird Sanctuary.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
yeah,
it's
same
Seaside
one.
now? Oh, okay. Whatever.
It's Suncoast Seaside Seabird Sanctuary.
Oh, it's all the same. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
yeah. It's all one and the same. But yeah, hopefully it doesn't skewer me. But
yeah, I know that's what I was worried.
Yeah.
And it cormorant or anything you got?
This is a loon. Loon. Yeah, they have a real.
I wasn't sure. I was just like.
Yeah, they have a real distinctive call. Yeah, you can see some damage on his hind leg right there.
Yeah, I wonder what
Yeah. It's all right. We'll get it where it needs to go.
All right.
Have a good night, folks.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks for doing the right thing. All right, babe. I know. We're gonna go. I know. Critters. Hey, babe. You wanna sing with me? Don't poop on me and we're good to go. Yeah, I see you got one kicker going. We're gonna get you where you need to go. All right. Oh, I know, you don't like it. I don't like the getting kicked and stuff either, but it's okay. Look at that. I got the car door open for you too. Yeah, don't try flying. I know, it's okay. It's okay. I'll put you on the ground in there. There we go. I know, get it. Get that door. Hold it open for me. Hold it open for me. Don't just bite it. Come on. Okay. All right. Yeah, I know. Be mad at all those things. All right, sit there. All right. Bring the Loon to Seaside.